Unboxing. Unboxing. Unboxing DJI Mic Mini. It comes with manual as well. So cute. It's like a mini pouch with DJI name. So cute. So it comes with transmitter, charging dock, wind screen, 2, charger, USB-C. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small. Just the usual charger, USB-C. So it has like strong magnet. It's really like, let's open it. So cute. It's so small. It also comes with clip magnet. That's why I feel like it's super magnetic, because it has like clip magnet. Oh, it's so small and it's so cute. But to charge this, you need this charging thingy. It has a super strong magnet. So this is how you charge it. There's a charging stand and you need to put the USB-C at the back. So cute, so small. This magnet is so strong. Wow. Of course. And of course it comes with this windscreen. Which I don't know how to put. Yeah. So cute! And it comes with other color, I don't know the color, but this one is the other color, the other one is the symbol, and it's so soft. Now let's figure out how to connect it in my Osmo Pocket. So here's the DJI Mini mic. Look at this, it's so small. 1 inch lang siguro siya. But yeah, this is the DJI Mic Mini, so cute. And to connect this to your Osmo Pocket, so all you need to do is turn this on. You can long press this one until the blue will pop up like that, and then turn and then turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket, and then go to settings. So this one is the settings, then wireless mic. and then you can just press this one, and yeah, just follow the instruction. Press and hold record button until indicator turns blue, and then press and hold the link button until indicator blinks blue quickly. So, yes. So since it's open na, it's turned on na, I'll just press the link until it will link. And then you can see that it is already connected. Yeah, so there you go, and it's already connected. So whenever you turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket, it will automatically connect now. So I'll show it to you. So when you turn on your Osmo Pocket, and then turn your DJI Mini Mic, once connected, it will automatically connect to your Osmo Pocket. Yes. So this is my new microphone. Trying the new cancellation noise.